Does the judge have a point? With me now is our legal panel attorneys Whitney Boan and Troy Slayton. Whitney, do you think the judge is right?
Well, I absolutely think he's right. If the government is going after Shkreli because it feels like it's got a good political in here to go after someone who is undoubtedly extremely unlikable and a narcissist, then that is very problematic. And you have to keep in mind he's presumed innocent. The government's going to have the burden of proof. They're going to have to prove that he misled investors when it comes to the issue of the profits that the company was making. If they can't prove that, if this is all some big political move, it should undoubtedly be dismissed, and this prosecution should stop immediately.
Well, the judge, Andrew Napolitano, said hiking drug prices is actually not illegal. Listen to this.
Drew attention by the cold, clear attitude that he showed about the increase in the 5,000% increase in the cost of this pill. He agreed to reduce it, and then he rescinded the agreement. Now, that behavior is morally reprehensible, but it's lawful, and it can't form the basis of a criminal prosecution.
Now, Troy, Shkreli's Twitter was also hacked. Anonymous is claiming responsibility. Why haven't we seen any legal action against Anonymous in this case?
You know, despite all his social media ravings and rantings, Shkreli isn't being indicted and isn't being targeted because of himself raising that cost of the pharmaceutical. The United States Department of Justice looked into the finances of this pharmaceutical company that he used to own and showed that he was using profits from that to pay investors from a hedge fund, essentially engaging in a Ponzi scheme. Now, Anonymous, if in fact they did hack his account, should be prosecuted, but good luck finding them.
That's true. Right. Troy Slayton, Whitney Boan, two criminal defense attorneys and former prosecutor. Thank you so much for joining us.